There have been instances where under Maharaja Ranjit Singh, anybody who slaughtered the cow would invite capital punishment without clemency. Okay? Gau Hatya is not peculiar to one particular community in terms of saying that this is a no-no. Okay? There are records after records after records which show that he sent people, his own people, to wipe out those butchers who killed the cow, either for religious purposes or non-religious purposes. What do you do then? This is what history tells us. Therefore, in the places where he ruled and which are now successor states as part of India, there is a historical basis to ask for a ban on beef slaughter or cow slaughter. There seems to be some basis. And it was not just a cultural imposition, that was a religious imposition. This is a reality. This is not my interpretation. Books, multiple books from within the country and outside the country say so. Frankly speaking, I don't have an answer as to what can a legislature do on this particular issue, because today India is a tapestry of multiple beliefs and belief systems who have perhaps conflicting and competing views when it comes to these kind of restrictions. If the legislature tries to push a certain point of view, it will only perhaps inspire resistance from multiple quarters. Maybe this is something for the society to evolve as a solution in the interest of harmony. You scratch my back, I scratch my back on certain issues. Give and take is something that can happen. Because if law is seen as the answer to every problem, then it is a top-down approach. It is not a solution that is coming from the society. This is a self-defeating answer given the profession I practice in. That law is not the solution for everything. That the judiciary should be the last place that you must approach, particularly when it comes to resolution of disputes between communities or resolution of differences between communities. That has been my position. Because that forum is war without the shooting. It is bloodless war, but it is war nevertheless, particularly when it comes to these issues.